Today's Allie Picked quick tip: don't clean your paint tray. After painting with a roller, I used to wipe out all the paint with a brush and then rinse out the paint in the tray either outside or down the drain, which isn't the best idea. A much easier method is to simply wipe out any excess paint with a brush or paper towel. Whatever little paint is left in the tray, well, just let it dry. Once it's dry, you can paint again using the same tray. Over time, the layers will build up. If they get too thick or bother you, you can peel out the old layers. My first layer seemed to stick to the tray a little bit, so I took some sandpaper to get all the loose paint off. Now it's ready for use once again. I know they sell these disposable plastic liners, but that's just another thing you've got to buy, store, and then throw into a landfill when you're done. By the way, if you do use these disposable trays, you can also let the paint dry in them without disposing of them after one use.